Let me show you how to build this particular dashboard in just less than 5 minutes using GPT plus Cloud AI. So here is another version of the same exact dashboard you have just seen. Can you see how dynamic it is right now? I'm going to show you how to build everything from the scratch. So before we go, this is the data we're going to be using. It's a coffee data. It has multiple pages. Can you see it right here? And here is the main page right now. I'm going to show you how to write the prompt in order to actually have something as powerful as this. If you look at it right now, it highlighted the max and the mean, month for you to actually look at what is going on in your business. And if we scroll all the way down, you can see we have this insight where it says peak month is actually March 2025. Let me show you the version I have built using, Power BI. And over here, it says revenue peaked in March as well. Can you see how beautiful it is? This takes me some couple of, hours to put together. And the AI version is going to take you just some couple of minutes, like less than 5 minutes to actually do. But that doesn't really mean that you don't have to learn your Excel, your Power BI, your Python, your Tableau, or your tools for data analysis. It's very important. Please go ahead and learn it, right? So now our focus is going to be right on this particular one right in here. Either of these two here is what we're going to be building today. Can you see how dynamic it is? And if I scroll down right now, can you see what it is that you have right in here? So let us look at how we can actually bring Cloud AI plus GPT together to have this created. It's very important. Let us go straight up to our browser and start creating. We are going to be using this particular data that has multiple pages. Here is the fact sales, which is the transaction. We have the product, we have the store, we have the customers, and we have the promo table. So let us see if AI can handle all of these particular tables right here. So the very first thing you have to do is to go over to Cloud AI, and from here click over this particular plus, then click on file or photo. So right here we have our file here. We have picked it in. So as the file is loading itself into Cloud AI, let us go to GPT. So on GPT, we have a clean slate as well. Do the same exact thing. So upload file. We pick the same exact file. So what GPT is going to do for us right now is to help us write the prompt that will make Cloud AI to actually, create our dynamic dashboard. So all you have to do is to click over this particular record icon and record your voice. Please go through this particular table I have right in here and actually help me to write a prompt that I can actually use to generate dashboard, a very clean, insightful dashboard in Cloud AI. So make sure every KPI is something that a business would want to look at and actually make decision, plus the charts. So add insight after all. So I want it to actually be a dashboard that the board member can actually look at and make smart decision with it. So I want it to be a minimalistic dashboard, something very clean and actually very catchy. So make sure you do justification to this. Give every single detailed prompt that will make Cloud AI to do the right thing. So once you're done, just hit your enter key to make sure every single thing you have recorded is here. Then if you have any other thing, you just have to think through it and make sure you think through it just once. So right now I have one more thing. So I'm going to actually copy this right now. If I click over here, you can see it's wiped off. So now I want you to actually add slicers to my dashboard, like all necessary filters to my dashboard. It's very important. And give it a very good title. Make sure there are no unwanted text around it, except something that actually adds up to the dashboard. So you can see what I've done. So what I'm going to do right now, the previous one, I have copied it. I'm going to go over to the top here. So here is it. I'm going to hold my shift key, enter, go up and paste the previous one. Now I can hit enter. So this is how you generate a very good prompt that Cloud AI is going to use to actually create your dashboard for you. So let us wait for it. So right now we have gotten this, prompt. So I'm going to copy my prompt from here. Then from here, I'm going to open Notepad. So with my Notepad here, I'm going to paste in the prompt. Then come over here and remove some part of it that I don't really want to use. Not everything you need to use. So I think I have to take off this particular portion, take it off. Then the next thing you have to do is to go all the way up again and just remove this particular part. So now we can copy this particular part here and let's go to Cloud AI. So once you get here, all you have to do is to paste in your prompt over here, then make sure you run the prompt. So let us give it some few minutes and let's see what is going to happen. As you can see, our dashboard is 100% ready. So to view it from here is not really, cool. So what are we going to do? So all we have to do right now is to go over to somewhere here. As you can see, if we hover over it, you have download file. So click on download and click on download here. So your file has been downloaded as HTML. So I'm going to share this with you guys as well. So click on it and have it opened. Here we go. We have something that looks like this. So this is not actually a perfect clean dashboard though, but at least you have gotten something. So you can actually go back to Cloud AI right now and give it a prompt and tell it to actually, make it a darker version or whatsoever it is. But in all and all, we have insight from this. As you can see here, we have, the year. If we click on the year, we can see here. And the beautiful thing is this, it highlighted the max and the mean area. And that is crazy, right? If you look at it now and clear this, so you can see over here, top products by revenue. See the comparison he's doing right in here. This is awesome. So when we go all the way down here now, you start seeing the peak months here. So coffee dominates revenue by 66%. This is crazy. So let us compare this to what I have built using Power BI right in here. So the same data you have just seen right now is what I have used to actually have this one here built. You understand? So I spent some couple of hours doing all of this right in here, including this particular page. I have not actually showed you guys how to actually create, and it is something very dynamic as well. This is in Power BI, and if I use my filter, it's gonna actually filter as well, just like what you have from Cloud AI. So right now, which one is your choice? Do you think this one is better? But remember, your organization might not want to actually have this. They might want to actually have the one in Power BI. But if you own your business and you want something very snappy, this is actually for you. Can you see it? Can you see how dynamic it is right now? Beautiful. So I have this particular one right on this very channel. So if you want to take a look at how I got this created, please go ahead and do that. It's something very simple, very easy to create. So just go ahead and actually see how you can actually follow me to build this from the scratch using Microsoft Power BI. So remember, no matter how AI can actually, make things very easy, build something in a very few seconds using Power BI, Excel, Python, Tableau, or any other tools out there is still a must, right? You need to know how to use those tools to actually, create your dashboard, your report, or your do your analysis. It's something very important. So right now you have just seen the power of AI, mixing GPT with Cloud AI, and it's something that is very, very insightful. So how about this? Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel before now, this is the very best time to do that, because I'll be showing you several things you need to know about, data analytics. So see you in my next videos.